National Electrical Code Section 330.12 outlines uses not permitted for Type NC cable. Specifically, it states that Type NC cable shall not be used where exposed to the following destructive corrosive conditions, unless the metallic sheath is suitable for the conditions or is protected by material suitable for the conditions. Firstly, where subject to physical damage. Secondly, direct burial in the earth. Thirdly, in concrete. And fourthly, where subject to cinder fills, strong chlorides, caustic alkalis, or vapors of chlorine or of hydrochloric acids. Considering a scenario where PVC jacketed NC cable is listed for sunlight, direct burial, and exposed work, the question arises whether it still needs protection from physical damage where it emerges from the earth. Even if the cable is sunlight resistant and suitable for direct burial, the code explicitly prohibits its use where subject to physical damage, unless protected. The situation described involves NC cable emerging from the earth in the middle of a grassy backyard, secured to a forks or post to feed a ground fault interrupter receptacle. This location makes it susceptible to physical damage from lawn equipment, such as weed eaters and lawnmowers. Therefore, the NC cable should be protected from physical damage in this scenario. A common and effective method of protection is to use a Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride sleeve. The Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride provides a robust barrier against impact and abrasion, shielding the NC cable from potential damage caused by lawn equipment. The polyvinyl chloride sleeve should extend from below grade to a sufficient height above ground level to prevent contact from lawn equipment. It is crucial to securely fasten the polyvinyl chloride sleeve to the forks or post to ensure it remains in place and provides adequate protection. In addition to the polyvinyl chloride sleeve, other methods of protection may also be suitable depending on the specific circumstances and local requirements. For example, a metal conduit or a manufactured cable guard could be used. Regardless of the method chosen, it must be durable and provide adequate protection against the type of physical damage expected in that location. The National Electrical Code does not specify the exact height at which protection is no longer required, but it is generally accepted that the protection should extend high enough to prevent contact from typical lawn maintenance activities. A height of at least 18 inches above grade is often considered sufficient, but the specific height may need to be adjusted based on the specific conditions. It is important to consult with a qualified electrician or local electrical inspector to determine the appropriate level of protection for NC cable in any given situation. They can assess the specific risks and ensure that the installation complies with all applicable codes and regulations. In summary, even if NC cable is listed for sunlight, direct burial, and exposed work, it still requires protection from physical damage where it emerges from the earth, especially in locations where it is susceptible to contact from lawn equipment. A Schedule 80 polyvinyl chloride sleeve or other suitable protective measure should be installed to prevent damage to the cable and ensure the safety of the electrical installation. Always refer to the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and consult with qualified professionals to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements.